man of sound judgment, who has reached his highest goal, him I call a true Brahmin, true Arahant. Dhammapad 403. He has become aware in this world itself the ending of suffering. He is unburdened, he has put down the load. He has got disengaged from the bonds that held him. I call that kind of person a true Brahmana, true Arahant. Whoso in the world come to know cessation of all sorrow, let down the burden, freed from bonds, that one I call a Brahmin, an Arahant true. Dhammapad 403. Gambhiro pinnong medhabing mogga moggosya ko bidong uttamathang anupattang tamahang brahmi brahmanang. Dhammapad 403.